Hi. ATX.
Mexican martini is good.
I got a Mexican I got a pint house.
We are gutting that trailer. We're like ripping the guts out of it.
So far, what do I look at? We've been having a great time. We're doing a lot of just kind of reconstruction of camper. You want to tell?
See it. Wait till you see it. It looks good.
Super cool. We had a bunkhouse that, well, we had a lot of stuff. We had the dining room set that we actually took out. April broke it.
With my super muscle arm, and she ripped it right out.
Seems like it. But we had it planned to rip that out, and then the bunkhouse.
Rip that out today. Now we've got an office / studio.
Yeah, I got a hardly way to chill out and while I'm drinking beers, but it was nice. It was a good hard day's work. Just doing all that, and we'll see what happens for tomorrow.
It's got like a kind of a pipe framework that we're not going to be able to cut. Like we'd have to slice it to get it to slide over that.
Right.
And that's the base holding it. I guess we'd have to only slice the back. Well, wait.
Now, that's what I think because this will hold it.
What I mean is the base. We'd have to take this off the back of the base. And that's part of the structure holding up the top. We'll figure it out. Then with the magic of vinyl, I used some black vinyl to change the words Nobo on our outside of our trailer into Hobo, which is what we call our rig. And it looks natural. People are always looking at our trailer and saying, I can't find that model, a Hobo. It's customized.
We'll be back. We'll let you know when we get back. April's a very responsible drinker.
Call you when we get home.